What's up, everybody? Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. In this video, we're going to answer a YouTube subscriber question for uh, lawsuit dismissed with prejudice in their favor. Uh, Before I get started, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Also, watch out for fake responses. You will see mine. It's going to have a black box around the credit repair shop, and you'll see my picture. There's some fake people pulling up stuff. We also don't use Gmails and all of that type of stuff for communicating with you. So the question here was recently filed. I just recently had a lawsuit dismissed with prejudice in my favor. The collector then turned around and filed the same lawsuit under a new case number and is trying to sue me for the same debt. Can they do that? They cannot do that. If they dismiss with prejudice, this is something that a judge does to make sure that they do not come back with that same case because they believe that this is something is flawed about it, that they believe that they would lose, and that you should not have to be worry about this and go out of spend more time to deal with this individual plaintiff trying to sue you again. So they dismiss it with prejudice. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to make sure that it is the same account number or whatever, that something isn't different. It could be the same plaintiff, but they have a different, it's a debt collector and they're trying to sue you for another debt. So make sure on that, But if they are trying to sue you for the same thing, just trying to bring it up and hope that you wouldn't do nothing, run it through the court system, that you would not respond to them or for whatever reason, you need to notify the judge that they're trying to do it, and I'm pretty sure that they're going to deal with them. You need to write them, and you need to also notify them that you wrote the judge, and you need to have a copy of that lawsuit that was dismissed with prejudice so you can even put them on notice because you might be able to have a case against them. So just to be clear, when the lawsuit is dismissed with prejudice, they cannot bring that same case up again. Uh, so make sure that you stay on top of this. They're probably hoping that you won't. They're probably hoping that you'll just quit and stop responding, and they'll try to shove this through the court and get a default judgment against you. All right. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process and my 2-phase settlement process. That's the way that we repair credit and help you get out of debt. If you need your credit reports and scores, please go to the website your3scores.com. Those links are below this video. If you find yourself being attacked by debt collectors, they're sending you demand letters or trying to threaten to come and take your money, do whatever they do. Get my free letters below this video. Link is below here. My statute of limitations against debt letter, my cease and desist collection activities letter, and my debt validation letter. I give you all three at the same time. We had some problems with the programming that is fixed. Get all three with one link and use the one that you believe pertains to your situation. Thank you for your time. Make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you ask your comments, and make sure that you share. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. Thank you, and until next time.